But it is worth noting, and that's just in the comics. In the MCU, both Scarlet Witch and Ultron have broken the fourth wall to great effect in Multiverse of Madness and What If, respectively. However, the single biggest other character that breaks the fourth wall, and just as frequently as Deadpool, She-Hulk. Yeah, she's been breaking the fourth wall since her solo series back in the 90s, which pretty much created the version of She-Hulk that we know today. The same one that was adapted pretty faithfully in the Disney Plus show.
So if you want to go back to your life as a lawyer, I respect that.
Thanks. He doesn't mean that.
This also predated the original boring normal bad guy version of Deadpool by a full 2 years. The same amount of time she beat him by in the MCU too. Fine coincidence. Now obviously all of these characters aren't suffering from the same battle with cancer that Wade is, or have his same healing factor. Like maybe the argument could be made for She-Hulk since she got her powers from Bruce's irradiated blood, but how would that work for Loki? For Scarlet Witch? For Ultron? Something else is going on here. There is one explanation that works with it all. One answer that could apply to all of our characters. Deadpool, yes, but also the likes of Loki and She-Hulk and whoever. Everything and everyone could be a simulation, as in a computer. And characters like Deadpool breaking the fourth wall could be them seeing the different layers of the simulation. Now that is a pretty bold claim, but hear me out. There's a real-world philosophy that would line up with this shockingly well, and there's even evidence in the MCU to support it. If you don't know, the idea that the entire world is just some sort of computer reality is known as the simulation hypothesis in the scientific community. Now, the whole subject is full of a lot of lengthy discussion and in-depth arguments, but the long and short of the idea, imagine for a second that somewhere down the line, humans become technologically advanced enough to create perfect simulations of anything they want, including a world full of people with consciousness. Well, if that simulation is perfect, then at some